Imagine you've just won the lottery. You've got millions of dollars to spend. But how do you manage it all? How do you ensure you're not just living paycheck to paycheck, even with all that extra cash? That's where YNAB comes in. It's a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses and plan for the future. But here's a question. Can only one person use YNAB? Or can multiple people share an account? Let's find out. The short answer is yes, multiple people can use YNAB. In fact, it's designed to be a collaborative tool. Here's how it works. Shared budget. You create a shared budget that everyone can access. This means everyone can see the same income and expenses and plan for the future together. Individual accounts. While you have a shared budget, each person can also have their own individual account. This is where you track your personal income and expenses. For example, if you're married, you might have a joint account for household expenses and individual accounts for your personal spending. Budgeting categories. Within the shared budget, you can create categories for different expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Everyone can contribute to these categories, and you can set goals for how much you want to spend in each category. Tracking expenses. As you spend money, you can track your expenses in YNAB. This helps you stay on top of your budget and avoid overspending. Reporting. YNAB offers a variety of reports that can help you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. But while multiple people can use YNAB, there are some things to keep in mind. Communication. It's important to communicate with your budget partners about your goals and expectations. This will help you avoid misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Trust. Trust is essential for a successful shared budget. Everyone needs to be honest about their income and expenses. Rules and responsibilities. It's a good idea to establish some ground rules for your shared budget. For example, you might decide who is responsible for paying the bills or how often you will review your budget. YNAB is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. And when used collaboratively, it can be even more effective. So if you're looking for a way to manage your money with your partner, roommate, or family member, YNAB is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.